Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you a drop of this will get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It removes wrinkles and deep fine lines and will get you a baby looking skin even if you are over 70. This magical remedy will work for you overnight. You will notice a great result. It's super effective in getting rid of wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, any kind of aging signs on your skin. This magical remedy designed to fill the wrinkles and to get you baby looking skin naturally without any side effects. Now my friends, we need to prepare the remedy. In a clean mixing bowl we need to add 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. Johnson baby oil helps our skin. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. It helps the skin to moisturize and deeply filled. The second ingredient we need to add is vitamin E capsules, and if you don't have vitamin E capsules you can add sweet almond oil. In that remedy, add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil because it contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of the things that helps rejuvenate the skin and will get you an amazing result when you want to get rid of wrinkles and you want to look young. Vitamin E is something I really recommend to try. So after adding 2 capsules of vitamin E, mix the ingredients like so. Add half teaspoon of starch, just regular corn starch. Add it like so and mix the ingredients. Starch fills the wrinkles naturally and you will notice a great result with it. So if you never try starch on your skin, it's a must to try. Now my friends, we need to add around a half teaspoon of Vaseline. That much. We need to mix well the ingredients. Mix very well to combine all the ingredients together. We don't want any lumps or chunks in this. We want it all creamy paste. Like that my friends. Store it to use it every night before you sleep. Apply it like so on your skin and massage the skin with it for 5 minutes and then go to sleep. In the next morning, wash your face like you regularly do and you will be amazed with the result. It literally removes the wrinkles and fine lines and will get you baby looking skin, especially if you do have dry skin that aging very fast. Then you need to use this as your moisturizer and you will notice a great results, my friends.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.